So let's remind ourselves what we would do if we were given zeros of a function and asked to find the definition of that function. For instance, in the example that I have here, I'm given roots or x-intercepts of x equals 4, 1, and negative 3, and I'm asked to find f of x. Well, you'll recall, hopefully, that if I found the 0 to be x equals 4, if I subtracted 4 from both sides here, that would mean that this came from the factor x minus 4 equals 0. So consequently, this 0 of 1 must have come from the factor x minus 1 equal to 0, and negative 3 must have come from the factor x plus 3 equal to 0. Well, if those are my factors, then I can take my function definition f of x and define it by x minus 4 times x minus 1 times x plus 3, making this a degree 3 polynomial, which of course connects with my 3 zeros that I was given. Remember, the function has a number of zeros equal to its degree. To go further from here, I would just expand these parentheses, these factors that I have here. I'll start by foiling these first two. So I get x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4. My x plus 3 comes along for the ride. And then simplifying here, I get a trinomial, which is x squared minus 5x plus 4 times x plus 3. Now, going just a little bit further, I'm going to take the x in this binomial and times it by every member of the trinomial. So expanding further, I get x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x. And similarly, I'll take 3 times every member of this trinomial. So I get plus 3x squared minus 15x plus 12. And now my last step to define my function is just to add the like terms. So my final function, f of x, is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared. And I've caught myself with a mistake here. That should be 4x right there. So minus 11x plus 12. So again, I just missed an x here in the first part. So x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x. When I add all those like terms together, my final answer is x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. And of course, you can verify this with the calculator. If you were to graph this on the Inspire, you could then use your menu analyze 0 option to verify that these 3 zeros are indeed the zeros of the function.